If you're in Sukhasana, bring the feet to the floor. Bring the feet to the floor. Use your thumbs to hold the wheel from rolling. Mid back onto the wheel. I'm going to push my feet into the floor, lift my buttocks off, and my upper back starts to come onto the wheel. I release the hands. My back is controlling the movement. My buttocks are still sinking towards the floor. And I'm going to lift the buttocks and push the wheel back at the same time. And let the mid and the lower back come onto the wheel. So push the wheel sufficiently so the lower back, the sacrum area, is now on the wheel. Now straighten the legs. You might feel that imbalance. Both the palms rest onto the thighs. Lower the head towards the floor behind you. Lift the right arm and take the fingernails to the floor. Lift the left arm, lift the fingernails on the left. Now use your feet to slide the palms away, back of the hands. Allow the head to come to the floor. Using my wheel, using my feet, and allowing my head to come to the floor. The stability is created by my fingernails behind me. My head is now on the floor, and I feel comfortable. I'll take my fingernails to the side, and I bring my arms to shoulder height. Surrender. If you can, leave the toes on the floor, otherwise lift the toes. Feel the lower back fully connected. Keep breathing. Head is supported on the floor. Slide the arms back behind you. Bring the palms onto the thighs and bring the hands onto the floor. So the elbows are to the ceiling, palms are on the floor. I push the palms, my head lifts. I walk the wheel back. I lift my palms and I interlace my fingers and support my head. My elbows are towards the ceiling. And then I walk my feet to the front and I walk the wheel. My back is guiding me. And once I walk to the front, I lower my buttocks to the floor, come away from the wheel and straighten the legs and release the interlaced hands onto the thighs. Relief. Well done.